Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best Asian decorations is probably one of the most versatile and aesthetically pleasing choices for anyone looking to infuse their living space with a sense of tranquility, cultural richness, and timeless elegance, offering a unique blend of artistry and symbolism that can transform any room into a serene sanctuary or a vibrant cultural showcase, making it an ideal selection for those who appreciate intricate craftsmanship and meaningful design elements that tell a story. Number 5. Favide 10-inch red Chinese paper lanterns, 20 pieces. Add a touch of vibrant festivity to your celebrations. These red lanterns symbolize good luck and create an unforgettable atmosphere for your family. Setting them up is a breeze. Simply open, paste, and hang. They are also designed for easy disassembly and convenient storage after your event. These are perfect for a wide range of events. Enhance the happiness and peace at your spring festival, weddings, parties, or business ceremonies. Crafted from waterproof and thickened plastic paper, they are built to last. Use them to decorate both your indoor and outdoor spaces with confidence. You'll receive 20 red paper lanterns, each 10 inches in size. This generous quantity ensures you have more than enough to meet all your decorative needs. What we like. These lanterns are incredibly festive and easy to set up, making them perfect for any celebration. Their waterproof nature means you can use them both indoors and outdoors. If you're looking to add a vibrant and lucky touch to your New Year, spring festival, weddings, or restaurant decor, these are an excellent choice. What people say. The product has a beautiful intricate design that looks very authentic. It is well made with sturdy materials, ensuring durability. The size is perfect for display on a shelf or table. Number 4. Beistle 57856 Authentic Chinese Good Luck Coins. Introducing our authentic Chinese Good Luck Coins. These coins are a fantastic value, perfect for your next celebration. You'll receive 25 coins in each package, ensuring you have plenty to share. Each one measures a convenient 1 inch in size. Crafted from thin molded plastic, they feature an embossed design that adds a touch of authenticity. They are lightweight and easy to handle. These make wonderful party favors, especially for Chinese New Year festivities. Add a touch of tradition to your event. Bring good fortune and a festive spirit to your gatherings. These coins are a simple yet meaningful addition. What we like. These coins are a fantastic value and a traditional symbol of good luck. They are perfect as party favors for Chinese New Year or any Asian-themed celebration. If you want to give your guests a small, meaningful token of good fortune, these are ideal. What people say. The product is very well made and looks beautiful. It arrived quickly and was packaged very well. The colors are vibrant and the details are intricate. Number 3. Beistle Asian Table Cover. Celebrate Asian culture with these vibrant plastic table covers. The striking red, yellow, and black design is perfect for creating an entertaining event that will intrigue your guests. These thin plastic tablecloths can be placed over tables or hung on a wall to create a fun photo backdrop. They are perfect for picnic tables, dining tables, or outdoor patio tables. Each table cover measures 54 inches long by 108 inches wide, fitting standard rectangular tables. Made of plastic, they offer easy disposable cleanup. Decorate your home or event space with these rectangular covers for an Asian-themed party, Chinese New Year, birthday bash, or other themed gatherings. Elevate every occasion with our premium party supplies. Our vibrant decorations promise durability and style, ensuring unforgettable moments for all life events. What we like. This table cover brings a vibrant Asian flair to any event and is incredibly versatile. You can use it on tables or as a backdrop for photos. If you're hosting a Chinese New Year party, an Asian-themed gathering, or any celebration where you want easy cleanup and a splash of color, this is a great option. What people say. This is a beautiful, well-made, and very sturdy piece. The colors are vibrant and the details are exquisite. It looks even better in person than it did online. Number 2. Chinese Handheld Folding Paper Fan. Discover the beauty of traditional Chinese handheld folding fans. Each fan is a piece of art, reflecting nature's charm. This set includes 20 folding fans, perfect for adding a touch of elegance to any occasion. Adorned with beautiful landscape, flower, and bird motifs, these fans showcase exquisite artistic features. Ideal for party decorations, home decor, weddings, and birthday celebrations. They bring a unique cultural flair. These fans also make wonderful gifts, especially for children, offering both beauty and a connection to tradition. Embrace the natural realm and artistic essence with these ornamental folding fans. They are a delightful addition to any setting. What we like. These traditional folding fans are beautifully decorated with artistic designs. They serve as lovely decor and are perfect as small gifts or for party favors. If you appreciate traditional Asian art and want a charming, portable decorative item for parties, home, or as a unique gift, these fans are a wonderful selection. What people say. The product is very well made and looks exactly like the picture. It's a beautiful piece and adds a nice touch to my home decor. The craftsmanship is excellent, and the details are intricate. Number 1. JapanBargain 22-inch Nylon Parasol. Add a touch of authentic Japanese elegance to your events. This beautiful parasol is perfect for adding a unique flair. Elevate your photo shoots and cosplay with this stunning accessory. Its traditional design makes it a standout piece. Looking for unique decor? This parasol is ideal for weddings, parties, and home decoration, bringing an exotic feel. This versatile parasol is suitable for kids and adults alike. It's a charming addition to any occasion. Crafted from durable nylon, it's designed to last. Enjoy its beauty and functionality for years to come. Measuring 22 inches, it's the perfect size for a statement piece. It offers both style and practicality. What we like. This umbrella offers an authentic Japanese parasol style, perfect for adding a touch of elegance to photo shoots or costumes. It's also a charming decorative piece for homes or parties. If you need a unique prop for photography, cosplay, or a wedding, or simply want a beautiful Asian-inspired umbrella for decoration, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The product is well made and sturdy. It looks exactly like the picture and is a beautiful addition to my home decor. The size is perfect for the intended space. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.